students, welcome back to my channel. So this video we are continuing the 6th chapter triangles, exercise number 6.2 with the further questions. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Question number 6 from exercise number 6.2. In the figure A, B and C are points on AP, OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB parallel to PQ, AB is parallel to PQ and AC parallel to AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. We need to prove BC is parallel to QR. So from this figure, let's first look into triangle POQ, which is triangle POQ, which is P, O and Q, this triangle. So and we have given AB parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. So as per BPT, as per basic proportionality theorem, we can say if AB is parallel to PQ, then PA by AO is equal to QB by BO. Correct? QB by BO. Now let's look into the triangle PO and R. POR. Triangle POR. In that we have given AC is parallel to PR. So similarly, as per BPT, as per basic proportionality theorem, we could say PA by AO is equals to QC by RC. So PA by AO will be equals to RC by CO, which is RC by CO. Correct? So now this is our first equation and this is the second equation. So from equation 1 and 2, we can say PA and AO is same. So that is QB by BO equals to RC by CO. QB by BO is equals to RC by CO, which is this is from equation 1 and 2. So which is QB by BO, which is QB is this by BO is equals to RC by CO. So let's look into the triangle OQR. So in triangle OQR where BC is a line intersecting the other two sides of the triangle OQR. So we can say, and we have proved that QB by BO is equals to RC by CO. So using the converse basic proportionality theorem. So as per converse BPT, we can say if QB by BO is equals to RC by CO, then BC is parallel to QR. Understood? So as per what is converse of basic proportionality theorem. So if two sides of a triangle are equally divided by a line, intersecting by a line, then that line is parallel to the other side of that triangle. So if that two sides are divided in the same ratio, then that line which is drawn parallel to QR is parallel to the other side. So as per converse BPT, we can say BC is parallel to QR, which is what we have to prove. Let's see the next question. Using basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoints of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. So we have learned the midpoint theorem in class 9. So that we need to recall here. So we have given a triangle. Let's draw a triangle ABC and a line is drawn from the midpoint of one side. So D is the midpoint of AB and E is the point which intersects the other sides. We need to prove AE and EZ. AE is equals to what we have to prove? We have to prove AE equals to EC. So that means E is the midpoint of AC, which shows that other side bisect. The bisect means it divides the side equally. So if E is midpoint, then it divides AC equally. So we need to prove AE equals to EC, or E is the midpoint of, this is of AC. We need to prove E is the midpoint of AC. As per the basic proportionality theorem, we can say any line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, the other two sides are divided in the equal ratio. So here already we have given D is the midpoint. If D is the midpoint of AB, then AD by DB will be equals to 1, right? If D bisects AB, means AD and DB will be equals to both this line AB is divided into two equal lines. So that will be is equals to AD by DB will give you equals to 1. Similarly, we are considering DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC. So as per basic proportionality theorem, then we can say AD by DB will be equals to AE by EC, correct? AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, which is as per the basic proportionality theorem. Now we already know what is the value of AD by DB. AD by DB is equals to 1 because D is the midpoint of AB. So AD, then AE by EC will be also equals to 1. AE by EC will be also equals to 1. So in that case we can say E is the midpoint of AC. E bisects AC, means E divides AC into two equal lines. So we can say E is the midpoint of AC. Hence we prove that E is the midpoint of AC. Let me explain again. Because as per initial we have given D is the midpoint. So if D is the midpoint of AB, then AD by DB will be equals to 1, right? Because this AB is divided into two equal parts. Then we have given DE is parallel to BC. So as per the basic proportionality theorem, if DE is parallel to BC, we can say AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, correct? AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So if AD by DB is equals to 1, then AE by EC also will be equals to 1, correct? If this is equals to, this side is equals to 1, so this one also equals to 1. So if AE and EC, AE by EC equals to 1, then it needs to be AE and EC needs to be same. So that will be AE will be equals to EC, which means E is in the middle of AC. This point E should be in the middle of AC. Only in that case we can say AE will be equals to EC. So as per the BPT, we prove that E bisects AC, which means E is the midpoint of AC. Let's see the next question. Question number 8. Using converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So this is also coming under the midpoint which we have learned in class 9. So given the triangle ABC and we have given DE is a line which is drawn through the midpoint of both the sides. So D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, which is given. So in triangle ABC, if D is the midpoint, we can say AD by DB will be equals to 1, right? AD by DB will be equals to 1 because D is in the midpoint. So it means D bisects A and B. Similarly, if you look into the other side, AEC, E is the midpoint of AC. So that will be AE by EC is also equals to 1, correct? Because E bisects AC. And we need to prove DE is parallel to BC. So as per the converse basic proportionality theorem, if two sides are divided in equal proportion by a line joined from one side to other, that line will be parallel to the third side. So which means if DE AD by DB, we have proved that AD by DB is equals to 1. AD by DB equals to 1, which is equals to AE by EC. AE by EC also equals to 1, which means that as per converse as per converse basic proportionality theorem, we could say these two sides are divided in equal ratio. So then DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. We can prove that DE is parallel to BC. So let's continue this exercise in next video. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.